What if I told you that the drink you rely on every single morning is quietly rewiring your brain, controlling your energy, and changing your body every single day? Not in years, not in months. Starting from your very first sip. Coffee. Millions of people drink it. Some say it's healthy, others say it's dangerous. But what actually happens inside your body when you drink coffee every day? Let's go inside your body and find out. You take a sip. It's warm, bitter, familiar, almost comforting. But inside your body, this is where everything begins. The moment coffee touches your tongue, signals are sent directly to your brain. And within seconds, your brain starts preparing for something powerful. Caffeine, the real driver behind coffee's effects. And it doesn't wait. Within just a few minutes, it enters your bloodstream, traveling fast, heading straight toward your brain. Inside your brain, there's a chemical called adenosine. Its job? To make you feel tired, to slow you down, to tell your body, hey, it's time to rest. But caffeine has a different plan. It blocks adenosine completely. Your brain can no longer feel tired. So what happens? You feel alert, awake, focused. But here's the shocking truth. You're not gaining energy. You're borrowing it from your future. As caffeine spreads through your brain, another reaction begins. Your body releases adrenaline. Yes, the same hormone triggered during danger. Your heart beats faster. Your breathing increases. Your body enters a mild fight-or-flight mode. Even though you're just sitting, this is why you feel energized, focused, ready to act. But this boost comes at a cost. Now imagine this. You drink coffee every day. Your body starts adapting. It creates more adenosine receptors. Why? To fight back against caffeine. So over time, you need more coffee to feel the same effect. A few hours later, something changes. Caffeine starts wearing off. And all those blocked adenosine signals, they come back. All at once. Stronger. This is the crash. Suddenly you feel exhausted, foggy, irritated. And what do most people do? They drink another cup. And the cycle repeats. Everyday coffee doesn't just affect your brain. It affects your entire body. Your heart beats faster. Your blood pressure may rise. Your nervous system stays slightly activated. For some people, this feels great. For others, it leads to anxiety, restlessness, heart palpitations. Your body is different, and coffee affects everyone differently. Now here's something interesting. Coffee can actually help your metabolism. Caffeine increases fat burning. It boosts calorie usage, which is why many fat loss products include caffeine. But here's the catch. If you rely on it too much, your body adapts, and the effect becomes weaker. This is where things get dangerous. Even if you drink coffee early in the day, caffeine can stay in your system for hours, sometimes up to 8 hours or more. That means your sleep quality drops. Even if you fall asleep, your brain doesn't fully rest. And poor sleep leads to low energy, more cravings, worse focus, which makes you drink more coffee. Now you're stuck in a loop. You're tired, you drink coffee. Coffee affects sleep. Bad sleep, more coffee. And it keeps going, day after day. Here's the truth. Coffee is not the enemy. In fact, in moderation, it can have benefits. Improved focus, better mood, increased alertness. But the problem is, how often and how much you consume. So next time you reach for coffee, ask yourself, am I using this? Or is it controlling me? Because what feels like energy might just be a temporary illusion. And what's happening inside your body is shaping your future.